people, welcome back to another episode of 360 Degrees with Pleasure. If you are new here, hey, thank you so much for coming. Please click on the subscribe button. You're going to love it here. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi, thank you so much for always coming back to watch videos on my channel. I love you so much. So today, guys, we are going to be having a quick tutorial video on how to create a YouTube channel from scratch for people who had never had a YouTube channel before, and also for people who at one point had a YouTube channel but now you're looking to create a new one for the purpose of becoming a YouTube creator, and then you want to know the right settings into creating a YouTube channel that will work just fine. So please stay glued to your screen as I'm going to be putting you through step by step on how to create a YouTube channel. The very first thing you need to know when creating a YouTube channel is that you have a Google account. Yes, the same one we refer to as Gmail, which I assume by now you already have. But for the sake of this video, I will be creating a new one, and I would also advise, in case you want to become a long-time YouTube creator, that you open another Gmail account for reasons you'll get to understand as we continue in this video. On my Google Chrome, I'm just going to be entering YouTube into my search, and then I will click on the icon on the right side. You can see that I already have an account which I can log in with if I choose to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click on add another account so we can create a new one from scratch. Right here you can see enter your mail or phone number, which I am also not going to do. I'm just going to click on create account, and then in this create account you can see for myself, for my child, or to manage my business. This is what I was saying when I said that you might want to create a new email, and these are the reasons. I know you might want to create the channel just for you to upload personal stuff, to upload things about your lifestyle, but you should still pick to manage my business. If you pick to manage my business, then you can customize your channel name instead of just using your name. But if you were to create for myself, you would have to use your name because you won't be able to use a customized name. And another cool thing is that when you pick to manage my business, inside of YouTube, you can have a co-editor. Maybe when you've grown and then you need an assistant who can always be in your YouTube uploading videos, editing and all that. You can have someone else to go into your YouTube studio without accessing your email at large. But if you were creating an email for yourself, then it means that before the person can log into your YouTube channel, they can as well have access to your own mail. I hope you get that. Now create your Google account. So I'm just going to enter my first name, and then I'll also enter my last name. As you can see, it automatically gave me suggested username, so you can choose to either go with one of the username that has been suggested to you, or you just enter a preferred one. But for me, I think I'm just going to stick to one of this. It looks quite simple, and I think it's okay. Then I'm just going to click on password, enter my password. You have to pick a password that you know is strong and also you won't forget. Then you click on next. Now I have to enter my phone number, and then I will receive a 6-digit verification code. Okay, they sent me the code. So now I will just input the code so that I can verify. You enter your date of birth, then gender, male or female. Am I male? Am I female? Click on yes and in. Now we have the privacy and terms, reach true, even though I know you're not going to reach true, but then just go ahead and click on I agree. Now it says your Google account is set. Now you can add your business profile, but then I do not want to do this right now. Our main purpose is YouTube, so I'm just going to click on not now so we can move back to YouTube. Since I'm done with that, it brought me back to this page, and I already have an account, but then I'm not going to continue with that account. I'm just going to log out and put in our new email so we can open a new YouTube channel. Now we are in the YouTube home page. On the home page, you will see your profile icon pop up. Now click on it, then click on create a channel. You don't have a channel yet, you're just starting afresh, so we're doing everything all from scratch. It says by clicking create channel, you agree to YouTube terms of services. I mean, we want to create a channel, so why not? So you can see upload a picture, but we're not doing that right now. All you have to just do is click on create channel. So yeah, welcome to your YouTube channel. Congratulations, your creator's journey begins now. So now you can upload videos on YouTube, you can comment as a YouTube creator's logo, you can do things. I mean, you can now call yourself a YouTuber. You're now a YouTuber. Then you can return to the YouTube homepage. If you come back to where the YouTube icon is, you can see your channel, you can see YouTube Studio, you can see settings, and then you can see a lot of other things that you can also tweak, I mean, to your own taste. If you want to create another channel for the purpose of bringing in a different kind of content, you just click on settings, then you can see all those details. Click on create a new channel, and then all you need to do is add the name of that new channel. What is the name you want to give that channel? Just add it, click to agree, and just create. That is all you need to do. You don't need to go through all the process that we went through while we're coming into the YouTube account. I've said earlier, your business account will allow you to do more stuff on YouTube, unlike a personal account. You can change how you want to appear and how you want to be seen on YouTube. Also on your YouTube channel, you can go to your YouTube Studio, go to permission, and then invite someone to manage your YouTube account. All you have to do is, enter their email, assign them a role. That's what I was saying the other time, that you can make someone else a co-editor on your channel without letting them have access to your mail. Moving to the most important part of this video, a very key thing you need to do once you're done setting up your channel, because if you don't do this, your channel is actually going to be restricted in so many ways. Doing this allows you to have access to custom thumbnails, to get to post videos that are 15 minutes or even longer, get to live stream, and you can also appeal content ID claims. So this one thing is very, very, very important. All you have to do is go into your YouTube Studio, go to settings, click on channel, and then click on feature eligibility. Then you'll be able to see standard features, intermediate features, and also advanced features. As you can see, your standard features already has enabled, but your intermediate features and advanced features are not enabled yet. It is important that the very first thing is for you to get your intermediate features enabled, but then you need to do just one thing to get your intermediate features enabled, which is for you to verify your phone number. That way you can access all the things I talked about, and then your YouTube life is going to become more easier. Right now I'm just going to click on verify phone number, enter my phone number, click on it to get the code. Okay, I've received the code. Once you receive the code, all you have to do is input the code, and it says congratulations, your phone number is now verified. And automatically, once you go back to your channel, you can see that your intermediate features is now enabled. Lastly, for the advanced feature, which allows you eligible to apply for monetization, you also want to meet the requirements of that one so you can get it out of the way. And what is required of you is to have your intermediate features enabled, which we already did, and then have one of those three. Video verification. A video verification is a 30-second video that you create on YouTube for YouTube to verify you. Either you have that, or you have a valid government-issued ID card, maybe your voter's card or your driver's license. I think NIMC should also work. Or lastly, you can have your channel history. But unlike the other two, which you can actually get done in a day, your channel history is going to take you 2 months, because for channel history, YouTube needs to know that, okay, you are a consistent creator, you've been active and you've been uploading for 2 months, and you've also been complying with the YouTube guidelines. I already have over 2 months of my channel history, so that was how I was enabled for the advanced feature. But then you can choose to do either of the first two if you want your advanced feature enabled ASAP.
Basically, those are the things you need to work on when you are opening your channel. So just play around the other settings, check what needs to be checked, from general to channel to upload default to permission to community to agreement. So just work around all the settings and you are good to go.
Congratulations! Your YouTube channel has now been set up and you are a new creator in town. Woo! But that's not everything. The other time you saw me not do anything to the profile picture, definitely because profile picture too has like certain things you need to do, there are certain requirements. Also, you have the channel banner, you have to customize your channel banner, that graphical representation that has your picture and some details about your channel. There's the channel trailer, there's also the channel description, there's your video watermark, there's just so many other things for you to customize your channel. It doesn't end here. There's still so much for you to do inside of your channel to set it up and have it popping. All of this I am going to be touching on fully in the second part of this video. I'm going to be touching on it step by step. I'm going to explain everything in detail, how to go about it. We are going to do it together. So you at this time wants to click on that notification bell, click on it so that when my next video drops, you are going to be aware. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do not forget to click on the like button. Click the like button. You people have not been clicking on the like button. This is the way for YouTube to know if you've enjoyed my video, if you find it interesting, or educative or entertaining. So please always click the like button when you watch my video, and also do not forget to comment. Let me know if you find this video informative, if you learned one or two things. Please share with family, share with friends, let them watch and learn something. This is very, very good for anybody looking to start a YouTube channel. And most importantly, click on the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, and if you subscribe today, I'm going to be giving you grace donut in the next video. Okay, so you better subscribe. You want to subscribe. You know you want to subscribe. Okay, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see you again in my next video, keep dreaming. I love you. Mwah.